When I first heard about Moringa, a friend was telling me that it was a new superfood. I wanted to learn more. What is so great about this Moringa? After some research, I learned that you can use Moringa for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, among other health benefits. One of the easiest ways to use Moringa is to prepare Moringa leaves for drinking, and now you'll learn how to make Moringa tea. Moringa leaves have many amazing benefits. They come from a tree native to India and the sub-Himalayan areas. Moringa tree leaves have been used for many generations in these eastern countries to treat and prevent diseases. Benefits of drinking Moringa tea every day. Some benefits supported by research by including Moringa tea in your diet include prevention of diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and anemia, high blood pressure, stomach problems, thyroid disorder, and many others. Reducing inflammation due to its natural anti-inflammatory effects. May lower blood sugar levels. It is a source of antioxidants. Moringa tea can lower cholesterol. It is a natural laxative. It is best known as an excellent source of nutrition and a natural energy booster. And it is full of nutrients and a source of many vitamins and minerals. How to make Moringa tea, dosage and warnings. Using Moringa sparingly is important. Up to 6 grams a day for up to 3 weeks is the recommended dosage. It is important to note that while Moringa leaves are fine to prepare and ingest, the roots and Moringa extracts should be carefully avoided. They contain a toxic substance that can cause miscarriage, paralysis, and death. Preparing Moringa leaves for drinking. Preparing Moringa leaves properly for drinking is a multi-step process that does involve a little patience. That patience and work can pay off in the end with a healthier body and mind. 1. Wash your leaves. Rinse Moringa leaves with purified water, clear off any dead leaf. Drain the leaves and spread them on a clean cotton cloth to get rid of excess water. 2. Dry out your leaves. The next step is to dry out your Moringa leaves. You'll only need 3 to 5 stalks of leaves. That will be plenty. Take a bunch of them and tie the ends of the leaves with a string and hang them upside down in a place where the air can circulate through the room. This method can be slow, but you will have a flavorful and full of nutrients product. Another method is to lay the leaves out flat until they are dry. This can take several more days depending on the weather and the humidity levels. Store these dried leaves inside a container in a dark, cool place to minimize nutrient breakdown. You can get Moringa leaves online if you don't have access to fresh leaves. If you have a food dehydrator, use it to dry out your leaves. You'll be ready to go in a couple of hours instead of a couple of days. 3. A couple of cups a day. A teaspoon of the leaves steeped in a cup of boiled water is enough Moringa to make a cup of tea. Use a tea bag or ball to contain the dried and prepared Moringa leaves in the water. Add honey or lemon, or can be both for flavoring if you like. Remember, you don't want to ingest too much Moringa. A couple of cups a day is enough to keep you within safe and effective limits. 4. Grind the leaves to make Moringa powder. When the leaves are dry, clean off the branches and grind the leaves down with a mortar and pestle. You will be looking for a finely ground powder. Use a blender, food processor, or your coffee grinder to grind the leaves and make Moringa powder. Moringa powder tea recipe. Here there is a Moringa powder tea recipe, very easy to make. Equipment: ceramic cup, whisk or spoon. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons Moringa powder, 12-ounce hot water. Instructions: put hot water inside a ceramic bowl and then pour it out after 1 minute, so you don't lose temperature when making the tea. Take 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder and put it into the bowl with a few of hot water. You can sift the powder to get rid of any lump. Take a whisk or spoon and whisk the mixture until the powder dissolves. Add the remaining hot water and whisk again with zigzag movements. Strain the liquid and serve it in your favorite cup. Add the honey and stir it. You can drink it warm or cold. Do you have any tips and tricks for making Moringa leaves ready for drinking? Are there other ways you like to prepare Moringa, such as in a soup, or adding it to a salad? Let me know in the comments. And remember, Moringa leaves are beneficial for your health, and you can use them to treat many health issues. Moringa has a laxative effect, so use it sparingly. Up to 6 grams a day for up to 3 weeks is the recommended dosage. Enjoy a good cuppa a couple of times a day. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.